Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to transfer money from PayPal, so let's start. So first let's go to paypal.com. I'm here, and then let's go to payment. I receive payment here, and if you check here uh, we have bank and credit cards. If you want to do it, just click here, and also you can send payments here. So just click here, and then we're here, just add the name of the person. In this case, select the one, then just add the money that you want to transfer. In this case, you can select the currency that you prefer. In this case, let's select, for example, I don't know, United States USD, and just select how many you want to send. Then we are here, just go to add the concept or a description about it. If you don't want, just look like that, and just next. And you can select by credit card transfer or by bank account. So if you prefer, you can select the credit card, you can add it, you can add the number of credit card, kind of credit card, and the date of expiry and the security number. Then just click on associate and you associate the account. That is how you can do it. In case that you prefer use the bank account, you can do it as well. You can select the bank account, number of the bank account, and you can select the name and then just associate the bank. So that is how it works. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. I hope one of these methods helps you to transfer money to your relatives or someone else. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.